Hey everyone, welcome. The world of AI tools is just blowing up, right? It feels like there's a new one every week. So the big question is, how in the world do you pick the right one? Well, today we're going to help with that by putting two really interesting ones head to head, OpenClaw and Claude Cowork.
And really, this isn't just a simple feature-to-feature comparison. It's more about a philosophy, you know? It's about how you like to work. Do you love the idea of building your own perfect tool piece by piece? Or are you just thinking, I need something that works perfectly right now? That's the real choice we're digging into.
So, in one corner, you've got OpenClaw. Think of it as the open source powerhouse for anyone who loves to get under the hood and tinker. And in the other corner, Claude Cowork. This is the polished professional, a super sleek app that's all about just slotting right into your day. Yeah, two totally different ways of thinking about an AI assistant.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We've got this at-a-glance chart that breaks down everything from cost to security. But a table can only tell you so much. To really get a feel for this, we're going to walk through it from the perspective of two completely different people. So, let's start with our first case study. The technical tinkerer. You know who I'm talking about. This is the developer, the true power user, the person who doesn't just use software, they build it. They want to craft their own perfect setup.
And right away, the path splits. I mean, immediately. To get OpenClaw going, you've got to be comfortable getting your hands dirty in the command line. But for Claude Cowork, it's just a simple download, like any other app. That's a massive difference right out of the gate.
Now here's maybe the biggest selling point for our tinkerer. OpenClaw is free, as in $0. It's open source. The only thing you pay for are the API tokens, which is basically like paying for the electricity the AI brain uses. It means you have complete control over how much you spend.
And that little bit of setup effort, it pays off big time in flexibility. We're talking ultimate freedom here. You can run it on a Mac, Windows, Linux, whatever. You can plug in pretty much any AI model you want, GPT, Claude, you name it. There are over 100 skills you can add from the community. And get this, it can even do things for you proactively without you even asking. That's pretty cool.
Okay, but there's always a catch, right? With all that power, all that control, the security is 100% on you. If you mess up the configuration, you could be exposing your data. You really need to know what you're doing. It's that classic, with great power comes great responsibility. All right, let's completely switch gears. Let's talk about our second persona, the plug-and-play professional. Think of a consultant, a project manager, a writer. Anyone where the main goal is just to get work done efficiently. They're not trying to build the tool, they just need the tool to work. For them, time is literally money, and simplicity is king. And for this kind of user, the cost looks totally different. Claude Cowork is a subscription. You pay a monthly